Hi guys. So, do you want to become AWS Solution Architect? Are you interested in cloud computing and you have heard about cloud and the demand of cloud nowadays, and there are a lot of jobs opening in the cloud sector in IT industry when we talk about software industry. So you might have also heard about AWS and that is Amazon Web Services and architect like roles. And so can you become a AWS solution architect by doing a course? What is the like roadmap, or what should be your you should what is the prerequisite to become a solution architect first of all? Okay. So this is very important to understand because like I have seen this thing because many of the freshers and even people from support profile, technical support profile are trying to pursue these kind of courses. They're running after certification. Okay, I want to do AWS Solution Architect certification, and it's good for, but it's not what I can say. It will not work the way you think it will work in the real world. So today I'm going to like make a video on the cloud thing, especially AWS. And if you want to become an architect in cloud technologies, so what companies are looking for? Okay, and that will be the starting point. So whenever you are like searching for any job, just see what is the what is the thing which companies are looking for. Okay, if you just type this, if I copy this thing and I go in the job portal, if I just type that what is the what does company wants, okay, so I will get the clear answer. I don't have to depend, you don't have to trust me or me blind or anybody for that sake. You can just search, okay, AW solution architect, how much of experience they are expecting? 5 to 7. How much it is expecting? 3 to 8. Okay. Solution architect 9 to 14. 9 to 14. Okay. Certification mandatory. Okay. But how much experience? 6 years. Okay. 6 to 10. Again, here you can see 4 to 11. So you don't have to depend on me to know what company is looking for. Just go on job portals, search for the jobs, and try to figure out what the company are expecting from you. As simple as that. Okay. So see, truth is always is everywhere. We have to just seek it. If you try to seek it, you will get it. Okay, you don't have to run after anybody to get it, and just be clear in mind. Okay, what is companies are looking for, how much they're paying, what are the things I need to know, and when what how much time it will take to become, and can I directly join as a AWS solution architect as a fresher? Is it possible? So what comes? So see, let's suppose I go and I decrease the experience. Let's suppose I decrease the experience to not zero, but I'll do almost one. So how many jobs you have? You have some jobs. AWS Solution Architect is there. Then this is, I will not say 1 to 10 years. Then it's a very less job when I am trying to filter out the result. But let's suppose this is 1 to 4. Just see what they're looking for. If you see what they're looking for is simple. If you see what they're looking for is the tech skills wise, they're looking for complex architecture, DevOps, cloud technologies, and then yeah. So this is what they're looking for: architecture experience in that. Okay, let's suppose I will go and search for some more jobs. Solution architect, ITC, infotech. What they're looking for. So if you see, looking for a lot of things. If you see, they're looking for security. If you just see this point, they are looking for cybersecurity. They are looking for monitoring. Okay, load, because when your website become loaded, it will not work. So load, how to monitor loads if okay, website will not handle more traffic. Okay, then we have how to maintain firewalls. Okay, and then how to maintain a lot of things are there. Disaster recovery, like let's suppose something goes wrong, how to recover your data. A lot of things which happens. Okay, and if you see the lot of things. Now access is there, role-based access control. Okay, like there are a lot of things. Now, can a fresher learn all these things by doing a course? And is like a company really taking? See, these many things you can't learn in just 1 year or 2 years. It takes a lot of time. Minimum, I will say it takes 5 years, almost 5 years minimum. If you are working in a very good company and you're getting exposure, it takes minimum 4 to 5 years to understand all these things. Minimum, and that is something the minimum. Okay, it for exceptional candidates it may be lesser, but generally it takes minimum 5 to 6 years to understand not everything, but yeah, like quite a bit you can catch up. So company may like consider you for this role, but fresher there's no chance because this is a these positions like solution architect and AWS cloud solution architect is like very responsible job. Company prefer senior people and senior folks in this thing. So like they consider 10 plus or something like that, at least around that in these roles. So if you are thinking that okay, I will go and find a job as a fresher, I will do some course, certification, nothing is going to work. Okay, trust me. If I search fresher, hardly you see any job for freshers. Okay, so there's no point. See, zero jobs in this thing. No job for solution architect. So even if you do a course that will make you happy, but job-wise you will not find anything. Okay, so don't try to do this. Now comes to people who are not a fresher. Let's suppose you're working in a support profile. You know a little bit of Linux, Windows. Somebody's working in tech support. They know something. For those also, this is like a role. This is not a skill. Let's suppose I want to become a director in in some company. Somebody wants to become CTO in some company. These are roles. Okay. So similarly, solution architect is a role. It's not a skill, but it's like very senior, very by role wise it is very responsible role, and it's comes in at a higher level in the hierarchy. So definitely, what I can say is uh, it's not meant for entry level people. Okay, so the role is meant for people who can take responsibility, they can do end to end things. So generally it will be at the experience level of 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, like that. Okay, so so let's suppose sorry, I forgot what I was talking about. So I was talking about people who are working in support profile, who are working in tech support profile. They want to, okay, you want to pursue a cloud career, definitely you can do that thing, but don't think that at the first place you're going to become a solution architect or all those things. No, don't have that wrong notion. Go again step by step. If I just search AWS, you'll get a lot of things. Just search. If you're having suppose 3 years of experience, what is the like possibility for 3 years experience for? You can say platform engineers. What is platform? Just search it. What is platform engineer? What is the skills they're looking for? A lot of things like what this is, what is IAM, what is AAD, what is AD, what is EC2, what is virtual networks, what is DNS management routing. So if you learn these things, definitely you can get a job in these things. What is Docker, what is Kubernetes, a lot of things. Not everything you can master, and don't try to master everything. Okay, but if you master some of the skills, you can definitely find a job. Okay, if you're working already in support and you want to move into this thing, but again, this is like okay, it's a cloud engineer. It's not an architect. But see, don't go with the name. Doesn't matter. Ultimately, you're getting a job, and in that technology, the more skills you will gain, you someday later in part of your career, you can become a solution architect or maybe more than that. Okay, so everything takes time. So what I'm trying to tell you, all of you, that go step by step. Like here, you can see cloud in AWS. What they're looking for? They're looking for a lot of things: migration tools, DevOps skills, and a lot of things they are looking for. Even they are looking for programming language like Python, JavaScript, Node.js. So I'll stop this video. I'm not going to take too much of time. My point was simple. Okay, don't like believe okay that this is a course. This is not a course. This is a role. This is a senior role. Companies are looking for these roles. Yeah, it is in demand, and people who have done a lot of development, then deployment, then maintenance in their careers, migration from one platform to like from one server to another server, or from one server to cloud server. These people are at the ideal position who can take the solution architect roles. And company are looking for lot of skills in a, like they should know A to Z of end to end things. Like they should know DevOps, they should know how to manage infra in cloud, how to do migration, how to do security, some networking also they know. So a solution architect is very very senior role. It will take you years, not months, to like reach to that level. Maybe 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, more than that. So don't go by like okay, I am going to do a like AWS Solution Architect certification. Certification will not land you anywhere. Okay, it may in some of the like cases, but mostly it will not. Okay, so don't go for that thing. Keep it simple. Go step by step. There are a lot of jobs in cloud. I made one like couple of videos on cloud previously, so you can just explore what areas you want to cover in cloud. Are you going for DevOps? Are you going for infrastructure management? Are you going for security? Are you going for networking? So in cloud also we have a lot of different fields, and you first decide where you want to go, and don't go by this like just hype and all those things, and don't get misguided by this institute that okay, you learn everything but you don't know anything, you don't have anything. So don't do that thing. And this is like this type wanted to make it clear, this is a position, this is not a skill. So with this I'll end the video. I hope I made like a video which you will like, and definitely I guess you will get some information from here which can help you in taking a decision which like whatever course you're doing, whatever things you're learning on your own. But you have to have that clarity in your mind that whether I'm doing the right thing or not, whether I'm heading in the right direction or not. आप कुछ भी मत करो कि भाई किसी ने बोल दिया क्लाउड का बहुत डिमांड है, कोर्स कर लिया, जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, परेशान हो रहे हो, सोच रहे हो क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है ना? आप सॉल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट की तैयारी करने लग गए, ठीक है, फ्रेशर हो या जस्ट आप क्लाउड में एंट्री करना चाहते हो, डोंट गो बाय स्टेप जाओ. फर्स्ट बिकम अ क्लाउड इंजीनियर, देन यू थिंक अबाउट बिकमिंग सॉल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट इन द फ्यूचर. आप अभी क्लाउड इंजीनियर बने भी नहीं, आपने डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट कर दिया आर्किटेक्ट लेवल, दैट इज अ मच सीनियर लेवल. Okay, like somebody become a teacher, then they become a professor, then they become a principal or director or dean. Similarly, here also, architect is the most like senior most level in the like anything, cloud or no cloud doesn't matter. Suppose you're not using a cloud, somebody knows Java, somebody knows .NET. They're also solution architect. They provide solution. They provide how to architect the things, how the database will look like, how the your services will look like. That is also, and now cloud is like okay, we have to think of from cloud perspective. That is like cloud solution architect, like AWS or Azure. But these are very high level, like top notch, I can say positions. So just be aware what is are those, and don't get especially if you're fresher or you don't have much knowledge about cloud, or you're from non IT background. Somebody says, "Okay, do this course," and you will be in a nice place. Don't believe those people. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have watched till the end, and I hope you will definitely find this valuable. If you are not aware too much about cloud and AWS, so thank you.